Hello viewers, moving on to the next question. This is of GATE 26 explaining solutions from subject power electronics. This question is of 1 mark, numerical answer type NAT. Question number 34 in the master question paper of GATE 26 electrical engineering is as follows. It is given a basic diode circuit with series RL is given. And the question is given as consider circuit shown. Assume that the diode D is ideal. The supply voltage Vs equal to 325 sine 2 pi into 50t volt. L equal to 500 microhenry and R equal to 10 ohms. The peak diode current in amperes is round off to 1 decimal place. Circuit is given as this. तो इसमें basically peak diode current निकालना है, बहुत आसान है. मतलब we assume something, some relevant assumptions if we take, and the question will be very easy to solve. So this is a 1 mark NAT, so we don't expect much of calculations, but कभी-कभी होता है 1 mark में question. लेकिन one thing we can observe in this question, I think एक चीज गौर करने वाली बात है कि if we find the inductive reactance, XL is given by omega L. Omega means 2 pi F into L. So F is 50 hertz and L is 500 microhenry. So we put the values 2 pi 50 500 10 to the power minus 6. We get I think pi by 20, which is I think 0.157 approx. Okay, which is negligible, much less than the resistance value, which is 10 ohms. That is XL equal to 0.157 ohms. It is much less than the resistance, equal to 10 ohms. So what we can do, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? If one impedance is inductive impedance is much less than the other, any other resistance, any other impedance, we can neglect the effect of that. So we can neglect the effect of the inductance or the inductive reactance on the diode current. So we can basically consider this to be a resistance in series with the diode. ऐसा हम लोग कंसिडर कर सकते हैं फॉर सिंप्लिसिटी, क्योंकि ये बहुत कम है, क्योंकि नेग्लिजिबल इफेक्ट, मतलब बहुत कम इफेक्ट होगा. तो if we neglect that, neglecting the effect of L, if we neglect the effect of L on the diode current, what will we have? We will have a simple resistive circuit with diode. So the peak diode current will what? Simply will be nearly equal to, not exactly, because for simplicity we have neglected, ignored the effect of the inductance. So it will be nearly equal to or very close to the peak value of voltage divided by the resistance. Simply जैसा resistive circuit में होता है, so it will be 325 upon, that is how we can write also as Vs peak by R, है ना? जैसे if we ignore this, so it will be the voltage peak value divided by the resistance, peak value of diode current. So it will be nearly equal to 325 volt by 10 ohms, है कि नहीं, right? तो it will be nearly equal to 22.5 amperes. Correct, 1 decimal place बोला है. So if you take the fair approximation, this assumption, neglecting the effect of the inductance because it is negligible as compared to the resistance, so we will get the peak diode current as 31.5. एक्चुअली जो रेंज दिया हुआ है ये उसमें फ्लाई करता है और बहुत क्लोज है, मतलब तो ठीक है, ये काम कर रहा है. अदरवाइज अगर हम लोग डायोड के इंडक्टेंस के इम्पैक्ट लेते हैं तो वो बहुत कम्बरसम हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन, इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट टू हैंडल. सो इट्स बेटर टू टेक सम assumption and solve the question in the time limit of the exam. Otherwise we would be 1 मार्क्स के चक्कर में हम लोग ऐसे ही पजल होते रहेंगे और क्वेश्चन बन भी नहीं पाएगा. ये इंडक्टेंस का इफेक्ट लेते हैं तो बहुत थोड़ा एनालिसिस भी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, जो कि ज़रूरत नहीं. यहाँ पे कम वैल्यू है, बहुत कम है, तो हम लोग इग्नोर सेफली कर सकते हैं. तो आंसर is coming up to 31.5. I hope the solution is clear. If you have any doubts or queries for this question, please feel free to ask in the comments and I will be glad to answer. And that's all for solution to this question. Thank you.